Hello and welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to use the diffusion model to create the video from the text prompt. So we are going to create the videos like this, an astronaut riding on a horse. So basically these are the diffusion model which is trained with the large data set and which generates the video from the text prompt. This model is based on a multi-stage text to video generation diffusion model which inputs a description text and returns a video that matches the description. Only English input is supported. This model only supports the English input. So basically what it is happening is we are uh, loading the model, then providing the text prompt, and it generates the video based on the prompt we provided. So let's get it started. So let's open the Google Colab and create a new notebook and create a new notebook. So rename it. For me, I rename it to text to video example.pynb, and we need to connect to the GPU runtime. Change runtime, and I will use the T4 GPU, save, and it is going to reconnect. Next step is to install the libraries. The command is pip install diffusers, transformers, accelerate, and torch. Environment is still connecting. You can use Google Colab to run such examples and learn GenAI and machine learning. Environment is connected, and I have 15 GB of GPU, 12 GB RAM, and 112 GB hard disk space. To run this shell, pip install diffusers, transformers, accelerate, torch. So this is going to install these libraries, and you can see the progress here. Once the libraries are downloaded, we will proceed with downloading the model. Google Colab is very useful for learning machine learning and GenAI. You can use the Google Colab environment for free and run these examples. Now it is still downloading, and meanwhile I will create another shell. In the shell we are going to import the required libraries. So this is run this shell. Because previous shell is already running, it will wait for the completion of previous shell. See, it is already running, so it's waiting for the completion of previous shell. Now it is running the import libraries shell. It's on this line. Create another shell and paste this code. So it is downloading the model. Another shell. So this is for more memory optimization. Download is in still progress. Model download is still in progress. Now it is loading pipeline components. Previous cell is already running, so we are waiting for the previous cells to complete, then only next cell will run. Previous cell is already previous cell is already running. Now previous cell is completed. Now it will run this cell. Done. Then insert another code block. Now the prompt and inference. Prompt is Spider-Man is surfing. Then video frame from the pipeline, and it is generating the video. This line is generating the video frames, and on this line will export to view will, and the function export to video will actually export this video into this file, video export vid -export .mp4. Run this cell. This step is going to take around 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video. Video is generated, so now we can print the path of the video. It is vid export.mp4. Now I will show you how you can view the video. This is the code that you can use to view the video. This code is self-explanatory. You can just read it. And this is the video which is generated. So in this tutorial, we learned how to use the diffusion model to generate the video from text prompt. I will share you this notebook code so that you can easily run it on your Google Colab environment. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.